An IB or introducing broker is a partner that directs clients to a specific platform and receives commission from any transaction that their clients make on the platform. We are happy to announce our lucrative partnership offer where we provide our IBs with an easy-to-use interface to transparently see all information. Let's go ahead and check it out. Navigate to TradeXN.com and click Login. Once you have logged in your client dashboard you will see this button called Become an IB. Click there to begin your IB journey with us. Once submitted, we will email you an IB agreement laying out the terms of our mutually beneficial partnership. Once you have completed it, please email it back to us so that we may enable the partner room in your account. Once approved, please go ahead and log back into your account. Here you will now see the button labeled Partner Room. Let's go ahead and click that. You will now be able to access your referral links right through here. The Client section is for direct clients that you are hoping to bring on. You may use any of the provided links to your clients. In the Sub-IB section, the link provided is for any referral agents that you would like to be working with you. The benefit of this referral link is that your Sub-IBs will be pre-approved for their partner page without any further steps. Thank you for choosing TradeXN to be your trading partner and we look forward to getting started. To try out our platform, click the link in the bio to register for a free demo account.